What is up, YouTube? It is rickydem, Rick, anything you want to call me. Well, today we're going to do a vlog. I got a gym, hit some reps. Don't know exactly what I hit today. If I hit arms and chest and back, but I'll find out. So, now what happened that? Now that sweat, we call it, sweatpants. But I look a t-shirt. I have my pump cup and my bag of water. We have punch, just make, look punch boost energy and so. And we gotta head out, around that nice shoes, I go out and see what I go on, cut me ear yesterday, cause tomorrow graduation. I'm really vexed about that, cause school stay. Man don't really like cut the ear, especially when I youth, you still in high school. So I hit the road, go reach a gym, continue from there. Right, go to that. So now, like myself, I'm not sure what I hit it today. Feel like my mind all hit chest, arms and back. Cause I build that back strength, So I have the punch. Give me that little boost. Right. Reach on the road now. Guys, look how I find Bay. Blessings. aka Shalrika White, bad singer. Audition for Digital Rising Stars last year. And this year, she the on top, she going good. Miss you when reach close to the gym, I guess. That make more sense. Alright. We almost reach. We're close, real close. Just a couple more steps and reach your destination up the road. Right around the corner, yeah. Couple hundred more steps for sure. Sky Fitness. Yeah, exercise practice already. Oh, we go. Even how much? Still 5? Thanks. Oh yeah. Reach. I highly recommend when you come at that gym, because it's pretty damn good. Water, need water already. So I gotta take a sip off of that. and we are ready. But it's okay, buddy. Now, if you this work. Now, tell me, that's right. 10 minutes, shit, right? Okay. 1 minutes. Set program back 5 minutes. Level 1 to 10. 1. Height. Now, fucking 5 points. Let's just 5. Don't lose 5 points. No. Oh, yeah. Up the speed by 1. So now we start. Look, normal walking, you know? So basically, we want to hit today. We want to hit chest, machine run, just have to hit back, and arms, biceps, maybe triceps. We want to hit everything in my arms, and want to hit arms. With arms. Alright. So my arms are far enough to 15 pounds each. What's on? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Clients are no longer allowed to roll over monthly payments on the basis of their advance. Payments are applicable only to the current period, and fees are due on the same day of each month. Your usual cooperation is appreciated. We aim to fulfill your lifestyle goals. True? True. Hold on. Medium, which I tell you. Take a break. Might do 5 sets. Might do 5 reps. About maybe 10 sets. Who knows? 10 sets sound good. 60 pounds, we can lift this up. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. If you don't want me to chase. Alright. Up to the reps. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jesus, is that you, Jesus? Now see fuck how them are gonna do for graduation march. Oh yeah, that shit feel good. That shit feel real good. We didn't buy 3 sets so far. 3 sets? No, 4. 4. No, I know if I do them over, no, there's something hard to do. But when hello? Testing. 1, 2, 3. Backers. That work. We have 4 reps. We're ready. Go again. Cause it's easy. Come on, Jim. Fat fox. Come on, Jim. Yes. You may attack. Come on, Jim. You fat bitch. Alright, a joke. All jokes aside. You see that? Give me a haunted. By the man, I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fuck no. That was a really stunning break. So much. Ah, shit, man. No 6 that we got 3. Oh, fuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have no idea how the fuck feel. Warm, hot, painful. Ready again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, the left leg. Here legs. 25 reps that. Alright, chest. What I do? Bench press for chest. Oh, let's do 5 more. Just do extra 5, yeah, man. Foot. Hallelujah. make this morning. Peanut, oats, Glasgow, sugar, water. Simple as that. Oh, yeah. Little bit of Milo. Get that nice color. And chocolate taste. Ready for up the deadlift. Alright. This is 25 pound. Right. 25 pound each. And you're supposed to good to go. Just a double check. Like my safety. Ready. Please, we don't want to die on camera. Alright, make it. Alright, how much sets? 3 sets, 5 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trying to have no idea how fucking shaky my hand be. My hand like. This shit heavy by the way, but I put no pound on it. But I add nothing to it for real. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa. Still alive. Guys, I'm still alive, don't worry. We have one more set for you. Oh. Yeah. One more set. No man, this shit shaky so I don't like it. Final destination fucking type of shit it a give, watch it. It's not safe. Hey. We need a manager. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna hold it good. Not like this at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can feel it on the shoulder, on the chest. Yes, I could come back to it later. Then I have one maid in this place. We clean up after everybody someday. Should I get paid to do this? That now in a 2.5 pound. When you see me there hit again, back. I rep 5 sets. First set done. Actually, 10 reps, 3 sets. Yeah. 10 rep 3 sets. Let's start over. 7. Each we have complete hit a different part of the back. Oh yes, I know. Bonus 5. Okay, 1, 5, 3 sets. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh shit. Mr. Man popping foot. This before. Erika. Put up the to the man. Popping foot. Lima, do leg press. Ika. Guys, man, Erika, I edit the video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can imagine this shit. I'm right on the walls. Then bend with us. Cha-cha. Do not try this at home. I'm professional, guys. Like I'm kind of relaxed, so I'm not so this shit dangerous. If I can accidentally fall, watch at this. I'm dead. Last rep, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feel like one leg again, then arm. This size. I become big vlogger, guys. Soon start to pop the balloon challenges, guys. Hold on, I want to see. The line is still there. Yeah. In a way, for it. They look busy, I'm having myself. I need to sell things myself so I can make my own money nowadays. 17 years old, I'm not making nothing yet. I'm gonna think about a jelly Benz. Come on now. If you want it, you have to go after it. Is what they said. And then when they realize they actually chase it, they say, no, don't do it. That'll take too much time. Not easy to come free. 5 sets. 3 with 5 sets. 3, 5 reps, 3 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Freelancer. This is offered. Makeup artist. Yeah, that's our village. Kayla K. More. Island wide freelancer. That's our deadlift. Alright, 45. I want this to be a personal best. I want to see if we can do 1 rep with this 90 pound. Personal best 90. Go turn it up a notch. Go turn that to 180. Come on. Yes, indeed. 180. See if we can lift that. Time. Come on, go in there, hole. Like a fucking wall, I didn't know where. Yeah. 180. And look like the bunny and go 1 more. I need to fix my stance. Yeah, that much better. Personal best 180. I look more weight. Continue beat that. So 25 pound. The next 1 hour. It's another 25. It's 50 more pounds to add. So, sabi, 230 pound. 230 shall be beaten. $230. Guys, pray for me. A 230. 230 pounds. Let us do 180 personal best. We're gonna do 230 or 245 pounds on the side, yeah. Of 245 pounds on the side, yeah. And 25 pounds on each. You do the maths. Cause this maths teacher, Mr. Elliot, drop out what year. Big up yourself, Mr. Elliot. You will be missed. Alright. Rain all fall. Boost me even more. Oh, Father God. Father God, me can do it. You created men in the image of God. Yeah. Real bitch. $230. 230. 230. One more. Alright, maybe me get the courage out. I go from the rain. No, but me have to go again. Come on. 230. Second one always prove it. Yeah. 230. Personal best. PR. 230. Get yourself ready. Get your ass to school. Come and go pay them pin for the. It's like 2 hours and 11 minutes worth of content, and I have to cut this down in like 15 minutes video, vlog, whatever. And I get to see highlights and all of that, you know, but we fix it up for me. Got me a glow, man, damn. Jesus. Baba do me terrible and cut off all of my hair, but I still hate it. But one last thing to do before I leave. See the pump. Of course. Wanna see the pump. And catch your mic, guess. Damn. I'm sorry about damn. Shit. Don't I look fine or what? Alright, mess up. Wait. Turn the camera a different way. That's all. I kind of want to see myself in the mirror there, right? There's a cup. Yeah, like this. Very. Damn. No, it's so weird. No. Guys. I feel nice. Guys, I feel nice. Look on your hand. Hey, editor. Put up a poster right there so when they show you say it's another shirt there. Like before and after. Editor. Editor. So if you do this, you can. You're not supposed to, but. You're not supposed to do this, but you have to do it. Just once. Just once in the back. Yes, sir. I feel the same. I'm feeling myself. Pump body, yeah. So look like Sam's look. I'm saying. Guys, may I go bald? I'm going bald, guys. I'm going bald. Look there. A joke. So, like and subscribe. Me nah bother carry no car park go make no see ocean. Nah. Catch you in the next one. Me say nah. Peace. Somebody do it. It catch me hand, it's supposed to stop. Man, make the thing sit and take me, make me, you know. Or me grab up titty. Fucking retard.